Hello, so according to the question, we have homozygous dominant one, short beak, that consume hard shell nut. We have homozygous recessive one with the long beak that consume pine cone seeds, and we have intermediate one that consume both type of seeds, right? Both type of seeds. So in the first question, the answer is the intermediate one. Intermediate one type of beak would be best adapted to offspring as it can consume both type of seeds. Both type of seeds. So it will be easily consume the mixture, right? That is mixture of hard shell nut and pine cone seeds. Now move to the next question. In the next question, to find out the answer, we need to make some Punnett square, right? So let's make out some crossing. So first crossing in between